Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the headphones support standard Bluetooth profiles like a 2DP or HID. That matters because the PS3 only accepts certain devices. Once charged, turn the PS3 on and navigate to Settings, then Accessory Settings, then Manage Bluetooth Devices. Put your headphones into pairing mode now so the console can detect them. This first step minimizes back and forth and ensures the PS3 sees the device. If pairing mode times out, re-enable it before scanning again. Once the PS3 is scanning, select Register New Device and wait for your headphones to appear. The console lists manufacturer or model names. Choose the device, and if prompted, enter the common PIN such as 0000 or 1234. This authenticates the link. After successful registration, go to Settings, Sound Settings, and set Output Device to Bluetooth headset or line out depending on your model. This ensures both game and chat audio route correctly. Make sure volume is finished by testing audio in a game and the XMB menu. Check that game sound and microphone chat work. If audio is one-sided or low, toggle the output device to AV multi/HDMI, then back to Bluetooth to reset routing. For stuttering or dropouts, power cycle the PS3 and headphones, then repair. Interference from Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth can cause issues. If problems persist, verify the headset supports the PS3 profile, or use a USB Bluetooth dongle compatible with PS3 as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.